time to get a shirt on your hands. Here they all come. We start with the 4 juniors. The first one is the setter for the class of 2016. She's number 6, Jessica Walsh. Defensive specialist sometimes, outside hitter other times. Number 3, Maddie Clutch. Outside hitter for the junior class, number 23, Kat Barbarossa. The final junior wears a shirt of a different type. She's the libero, number 36, Kayla Steiner. And now, ladies and gentlemen, a teaming list of senior leaders. The first young lady out is defensive specialist, number 1, Maddie Szymanski. The second senior and outside hitter with the voice of an angel, number 2, Brianna King. Defensive specialist, number 9, Nicole Ray. Defensive specialist who wears number 11, Kelly Duffy. Defensive specialist wearing lucky number 13, Paige Steen. Outside hitter for the class of 2015, number 21, Chanel Ruppert. Middle blocker wearing number 33, Natalie Bercheski. And now the 4 senior leader captains. The first one is an outside hitter, number 24, Anna Shelley. Outside hitter, number 28, Captain Matt Monahan. Middle blocker, number 35, Captain Kathleen Davey. And the team setter wears number 4, she's Captain Kat Kelly. Sheila Mitchell leads the blue and gold. Susan Collins and Laura Weitz are her assistants. Having all shirts dispersed, it's time for us to move to set number 1, and we do that on a note of patriotism. Ladies and gentlemen, would you